Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to use two-way calendar sync in Pipedrive. Your calendar and CRM should not be living separate lives. If meetings are in one place and deals are in another, things slip through the cracks. Missed calls, double bookings, forgotten follow-ups, bad timing. That's why two-way calendar sync matters. It keeps your scheduling system and your sales pipeline talking to each other automatically. What is two-way calendar sync? Two-way sync means changes made in either system update the other. Example, add a meeting in Pipedrive, appears in your external calendar. Move an event in your calendar, updates inside Pipedrive. Delete or reschedule in one place, reflected in both, depending on provider behavior. This is different from one-way sync, where only one system sends updates. First, open your account and sign in. Once inside the dashboard, look at the top right corner and click on your account/profile icon. Then, from the drop-down menu, click Personal Preferences. Inside Preferences, locate Calendar Sync. Click it. What Calendar Sync does? This connects Pipedrive with external calendar providers such as Google Calendar, Microsoft Outlook, Microsoft Exchange, depending on support/version. Select the calendar account you want to connect. You may be asked to log in and authorize access. Why authorization is needed? Pipedrive needs permission to read events, create meetings, update scheduling changes. Without authorization, sync can't function. Once the account is selected, click Start Sync. This begins the setup wizard. When asked for sync direction, select Two-Way Sync. Then click Next. Why two-way is powerful? It removes duplicate manual work. Without it, you might update Pipedrive manually every time you move a meeting elsewhere. With two-way sync, less admin work, better meeting accuracy, fewer forgotten changes. You mentioned two options, visible to everyone, visible only to you. Then click Next. What this means? Visible to everyone. Team members may see relevant calendar events inside shared workflows or scheduling visibility, depending on permissions. Best for collaborative sales teams, shared scheduling environments, transparent operations. Visible only to you. Your synced events remain private or limited. Best for solo users, sensitive schedules, personal calendar separation. Choose privacy intentionally. Transparency helps teams, privacy protects focus. Finally, click Start Sync. What happens next? Pipedrive begins syncing your calendar with the connected provider. Initial sync may take a few minutes depending on volume. To summarize, using two-way calendar sync in Pipedrive begins by logging into your account, clicking your profile icon, and opening Personal Preferences. From there, you select Calendar Sync, choose the external calendar account you want to connect, and start the sync setup process. During configuration, you select the two-way sync option so changes made in either Pipedrive or your connected calendar update both systems. You then choose whether synced events should be visible to everyone or only to you inside Pipedrive, and finalize setup by clicking Start Sync. This feature is valuable because it reduces duplicate scheduling work, improves meeting accuracy, and keeps your CRM activity aligned with your real calendar. When configured properly, it creates a smoother and more reliable workflow. And that's how to use two-way calendar sync in Pipedrive. Small setup, big payoff. If your schedule and CRM disagree, your business eventually pays for it. Sync them now. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.